Hi there, today I am in the very beautiful Mollymook, being test driving Mazda's brand new premium 5-seater Mazda CX-60. We're going to have a look and see how it is as a baby drive, and in a few weeks time I'll be bringing you my full baby drive review. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the new Mazda CX-60 there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides. I found them really nice and easy to connect to. There were top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs that were really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now I have got two InfoSecure child seats in the back here today. I have got the Attain More and the Achieve More. Now I've got the Attain More here rear facing, and we found that a 180 centimetre driver can sit in front of it, which is really good news for families that need to. Now, I'm pretty sure we might be able to get three child seats across the back here. The width of the CX-60 is ever so slightly wider than the Mazda CX-5. So I'm looking forward to putting that through our full baby drive seat testing in a few weeks' time. I also did check in here today, and I can sit between the two child seats if I move them out to the sides a little bit more. So that's really good for families that need to seat a passenger in the back with two child seats. You can learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the new CX-60, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers at the right temperature while you're driving along. Also in the back there you've got charging sockets for their devices, and there's a regular plug socket, which is great news for parents that want to work in the front here while they're waiting to pick their kids up from school, or their little ones have fallen asleep in the back. The new CX-60 comes with 8 airbags, including those for the rear passengers. It's just been awarded a 5-star ANCAP safety rating and got 93% for child occupancy, which is great news for families. It also has rear door exit warning, so if a car or a bicycle is coming alongside the car, it won't let the kids in the back open the doors. I've brought my little friends along with me today. As you can see, a medium-sized dog will fit really nicely in the boot of the new Mazda CX-60. Now, the boot size is the same across all models of the CX-60, which is fantastic news. The FEV model doesn't take boot space away, which is great. Another feature I love about the boot of the Mazda CX-60 is the retractable roller blind. It's attached to the boot lid here, so when you open it, it automatically goes up, but you don't have to have your hands free to move that roller blind and it won't get broken. The Mazda CX-60 is a beautiful car to drive. The steering feels quite firm, which gives it a premium feeling, and you feel really grounded to the road. Now there's some lovely new luxuries in here as well. You've got electric adjustment for the steering wheel in the medium and top spec models, which is fantastic. Now, the media system in here is really lovely and easy to use and to navigate. It does have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, and a 360-degree camera, which is going to make parking and manoeuvring in school and supermarket car parks an absolute cinch, and really nice and safe because you can see all around you. It also has a really lovely tight turning circle, which feels really light, which is great for manoeuvring around town too. Now, visibility in here is fantastic. With the big sunroof, it's got a lot of natural light, and also these windows are really nice and large, which I think are going to give rear passengers a really nice view out. I'm really looking forward to testing this with my kids in the back in a few weeks to see how much they enjoy it. So to sum up with the new Mazda CX-60, I think it's going to make a great family baby drive. You can fit those two InfoSecure child seats nicely in the back with room for a passenger between them. And I'm pretty sure when I test it in a few weeks with my family, we're going to get 3 across. Legroom seems really good in there too. And a 180 centimetre passenger or driver in front of a rear-facing child seat is really practical. There's some lovely luxuries in the interior that make it nice and premium. The drive is fantastic, and the media system is really good too, and having wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is really nice. The boot space is really good too, and for those with a family dog, you'll be able to get your medium-sized fur baby in the boot. The Mazda CX-60 is available in 3 engine variants: a petrol, diesel or plug-in hybrid. I had the pleasure of driving them all through stunning countryside, from Canberra to Mollymook. All models are available in 3 specifications: the bottom spec Evolve, mid-spec GT and the top spec Azami model.